Hello, my name is Larry. My experience here with Dr. Kim has been a great experience. I don't know what I would do without Dr. Kim. I do appreciate his compassion for what he does. He's concerned about the whole person. The dental assistant, Debbie, we've grown to be great friends. She knows more about me than I know about myself. I thank her so much for taking good care of me. I would recommend anyone to come and see Dr. Kim. The staff here is awesome. Everyone is very, very concerned about the whole person. We have become family here, and I thank them so much for what they have done for me. I probably would not have my teeth at this point if not for their care. Once again, I thank them so much for the job that they do for me.